Guys, today we'll be taking a look at how to fix the no internet secured error. Encountering the no internet secure error can be frustrating, especially when you need to be online. This guide will provide you with various methods to resolve this no internet secured issue. Before we start, if you have any computer or software related issue, please feel free to submit your problem on our website or comment down below and we will make a solution video for you to resolve it. So let's get started. Method 1. Restart your router and computer. Often the simplest solution are the most effective. Restarting your router and computer can resolve the no internet secured issue. Unplug your router from the power source, wait for 30 seconds, plug the router back in and wait for it to restart fully. Restart your computer and check your connection. Method 2. Use network troubleshooter. Windows has a built-in network troubleshooter to help diagnose and fix the no internet secured problem. To get started, head over to Start menu and type Settings and open Windows Setting. In the Settings app, click on System, then click on Troubleshoot and select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run button for internet connection. Windows will launch the troubleshooter and show the issues Windows can troubleshoot. Apply the fixes and check for any improvement. Method 3. Forget the internet connection. Forgetting and reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network can sometimes resolve the no internet secured issue. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi and manage known network. Click forget and then reconnect to your network by entering the password. Method 4. Fix connection properties. Ensure your connection properties are correctly configured can help resolve the no internet secured issue. Open Control Panel, go to Network and Internet, then select Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter options. Right click on your network connection and select Properties. Check Settings under Networking tab. Confirm the following are checked. Client for Microsoft Network, File and printer sharing for Microsoft Network, Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IP6, link layer topology discovery responder. Method 5. Change your Wi-Fi properties. Adjusting your Wi-Fi properties can improve connectivity. Step 1. Open Control Panel. Go to Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center and click on Change Adapter option. Right click on your Wi-Fi connection and select Properties. Select Configure and navigate to the Advanced tab. Adjust settings such as wireless mode and roaming aggressiveness. Method 6. Disable and re-enable the network adapter. Disabling and then enabling your network adapter can resolve the no internet secured issue. Open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right-click on your network adapter and select Disable. Wait a few seconds, then right-click on it again and select Enable. Method 7. Refresh your IP configuration. Refreshing your IP configuration can resolve the no internet secured issue. Step 1. Open Start, search for command prompt and run it as administrator. Type the following command: ipconfig/release and press enter. ipconfig/renew and press enter. Method 8. Perform a Winshock reset. A Winshock reset can fix the no internet secured issues related to network socket. Open command prompt and run it as administrator. Type the following: netsh winshock reset and press enter. Then restart your PC. Method 9. Restart your network setup service. Restarting this service can resolve network configuration issues. Press Windows+R, type services.msc and press enter. Find network setup service, right click on that and select restart. Method 10. Reset the network setting. Resetting the network settings can resolve the no internet secure network related issue. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then select Advanced Network Setting. Click on Restart Now under Network Reset and follow the instructions. Method 11. Set Obtain DNS server automatically. Ensuring your computer is configured to obtain DNS server automatically can help resolve the issue. Step 1. Go to Setting, then click on Network and Internet and select Change Adapter option. Right click on your network connection and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4 and click Properties. Ensure Obtain DNS server automatically is selected. Method 12. Update network adapter driver. Outdated driver can cause connectivity issues. Press Windows+R to open the run box. Type devmgmt.msc and click OK to open Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand Network Adapter section. It will list all the network driver installed on your computer. Do the following for all the wireless network driver. Right click on the wireless network driver and choose Uninstall driver. Check the Attempt to remove driver from this device option if it pops up. Go to the top menu in the Device Manager and under Action tab, Select Scan for hardware changes. The driver should appear back in the display driver list. If it does not, then restart your PC and it will appear back. Then right-click on the wireless network driver and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Windows can scan for available driver updates and download them. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Method 13. Uninstalling the last Windows update. If you are experiencing issues after installing an update, consider checking for solution or waiting for Microsoft to release a fix for the no internet secured problem. Go to Setting, click on Update, then go to Update History and select Uninstall Update. Method 15. Disable your VPN. Sometimes VPNs can cause the no internet secured issue. Open your VPN application and turn off any VPN service. Method 16. Create a restore point. Creating a restore point before making major changes can help you revert if something goes wrong. Press Windows plus S and type System Restore in the search bar. Select Create a restore point from the search result. Click on System Restore under System Protection tab. It will prompt you to select certain date and open restoring window. If you have previously created a restore point, you should utilize it. Otherwise, the computer will display a recommended date for restoration. Then click Finish to complete the process. The finishing time is a few minutes. When finished, your computer will reboot. Method 16. Fix via registry editor. Be cautious when editing the registry. It may affect system stability. Press Windows plus R, type regedit and press enter. Navigate to the following path. Make sure the following values exist in the right pane of the internet. Method 17. Disable IPv6 address. Disabling IPv6 can resolve the no internet secured issue. Select the Start option, open Control Panel, go to Network and Internet, then select Network and Sharing Center, change Adapter option, right-click on the Wi-Fi connection and select Properties. Click OK after unchecking the Network Protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6 box. When prompted, restart your computer. Method 18. Set a new DNS server. Using a public DNS can improve connectivity. Open Control Panel, navigate to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, then click on Change Adapter option. Right-click on the Wi-Fi connection and select Properties. Select Network Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and click on Properties. Enter the following public DNS. Method 19. Flush/clear DNS cache. Flushing the DNS cache can resolve connectivity issues. Open command prompt and run it as administrator. Type the following: ipvconfig/flushdns and press enter. Method 20. Check firewall and antivirus setting. Firewall and antivirus program can sometimes block internet access. Press the Windows key and open Start menu. Type Windows Security and press enter. Choose Firewall and Network Protection from the left panel. Choose the Private Network option. Disable the toggle under Microsoft Defender Firewall. If UAC pops up, click on Yes. Check if the problem continues. If yes, just enable the firewall again. Method 21. Scan for malware. Malware and viruses can cause no internet secured error. To check for issues, conduct a complete computer scan using authorized antivirus or anti-malware tool. Make sure your antivirus software is up to date. You can download a free malware detector tool from the link provided in the description. Open search and type Windows Security and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Under Current Threat, click on Quick Scan to perform a basic scan. For a more comprehensive scan, you can choose the Full Scan option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the scan. If any threats are detected, Windows Defender will provide options to remove or quarantine them. Method 22. Update Windows. Keeping the Windows up to date can help resolve the no internet secured issue. Click on Windows Update in the left-hand menu. Click on Check for Update and let Windows search and install any available updates. After the updates are installed, restart your computer. Method 23. Go to Settings, Network and Internet and select Proxy. Ensure Use a Proxy server is turned off. Incorrect proxy settings can affect Internet. Method 24. Check for software conflicts. Software conflicts can sometimes cause no internet secured issue. Uninstall any recently installed software that might be causing conflicts with the internet. Method 25. Change your power plan setting. Open Control Panel and select Power Options. Click on Change Power Settings. Change Advanced Power Settings. Verify that maximum performance is selected under the wireless adapter setting, power saving mode. Click Apply and close the windows. Method 26. MAC address filtering. Ensure that your router is not blocking your device MAC address. Log into your router's admin panel. Check for MAC address filtering setting. Add your device MAC address if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the no internet secured issue and restore your internet connection. If the no internet secured issue persists, contact your ISP for the assistance. So this is it for the video. If this video fixes your issue, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. And if the problem still persists, then comment down below and we'll try to resolve it for you. Thank you.